Toby the turtle, a small green cartoon turtle with big eyes and red sneakers, walks peacefully through the jungle. Suddenly, a nearby volcano sneezes "Achoo!" and blasts giant marshmallows into the sky. Toby the turtle opens a leaf umbrella and dodges them in slow motion. One marshmallow hits his head, another lands perfectly in his mouth. The volcano hiccups and launches a jelly bean boulder. Toby the turtle jumps on a whipped cream slide, rides it down, and lands in a coconut bowl like a champion. He licks a marshmallow and says, "Bless you, volcano."